Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Audi Q5 garage door opener. First, clear any old programming by pressing and holding the two outer home link buttons for about 20 to 30 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Make sure your garage door remote has a good battery. Then, park your Audi Q5 outside your garage, directly facing the door, to prepare for the next steps. Next, turn on your Audi Q5's ignition without starting the engine. Position your garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. Now, simultaneously press and hold both the chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, steady flash, then release both buttons. Now, you need to activate your garage door opener's learning mode. Climb a ladder to locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor, usually near the antenna. Press and release this button. Be quick, as you typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Audi Q5 and complete the final synchronization step before the learning mode expires. Immediately return to your Audi Q5. Press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release it. You may need to repeat this press and release action up to 3 times. After these attempts, your garage door should respond by opening or closing, indicating that your home link system is successfully programmed and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.